Hey everyone, welcome back to another speed test video. Today in this video, I like to share you guys Galaxy A26 versus Galaxy A15 speed test. Galaxy A26 come with Exynos 1280 chipset with 6GB of RAM. On the other hand, Galaxy A15 come with MediaTek Helio G99 processor with 4GB RAM. Both smartphones running Android 15 with One UI 7. As you can see that both smartphones running same Wi-Fi. So let's start our speed test. First of all, I am doing restart both smartphones. Let's see which smartphone open first. As you can see that Galaxy A26 open first, then open Galaxy A15. I am already removed all the background apps, so let's do some app opening and closing. As you can see that both smartphones perform very similar. All the app opening and closing very smooth. By the way, I am already making Galaxy A26 full review and also gaming review. Video link also available in the video description and the I button. Check it out. Overall, as you can see that Galaxy A26 performs slightly better compared to Galaxy A15. So let me know in the comment which smartphone perform you guys like and which smartphone should be win. I think my speed test winner is Galaxy A26. So let me know in the comment what do you think. Okay, that's all about our short speed test video. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon and I'll be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.